guys, welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on automating WAR file deployment to JBoss using Jenkins. In this tutorial, we will build Jenkins pipeline that fetches the latest WAR file from GitHub, backs up the existing WAR file and deploy the new one. Also reload JBoss automatically. Let's get started. Before we dive into steps, make sure you have following prerequisite in place. Jenkins installed and configured on your system. JBoss application server installed and running on your system. GitHub repository with your application WAR file and basic understanding of Jenkins and Git. Installation of Jenkins and JBoss application server. I have already created a video. You will find a link in a video description. Step 1. Let's configure JBoss CLI to ensure our JBoss server is running and working properly. Go to your JBoss path directory where you have installed JBoss. This is the path where I have installed JBoss. Go to bin and open command prompt. This is a command to run JBoss. It is starting. Okay, JBoss server has started. Now we will check JBoss CLI is working or not. Open another command prompt, copy the path till bin, go to the bin path using command prompt and run jboss.cli. As you can see, it is disconnected. We will connect JBoss server. Now it is connected to admin console. Now it is confirmed our JBoss is running and also JBoss CLI is working. Let's create a new file with any name but with the extension of batch file. I am using Windows system, so I will add extension as a BAT batch file. If you are using Linux, then use a extension sh file. Copy provided script. This document will be shared in GitHub repository. You can follow these steps. I have copied the script. Now we will make necessary changes. First, JBoss home. Mention correct path of JBoss home. Name of your WAR file. I am using sampleweb.war. You can use yours which you have created. Once you have created a batch file, save this. Make sure to add extension of batch or sh file. Once you have created your deployment script, push it to GitHub along with your WAR file. This is my GitHub repository I have created and I have pushed my JBoss script and sample WAR file. Now we will create Jenkins pipeline. Go to your Jenkins dashboard and create a new item and select project as a freestyle project. Name anything you want. Select item type as a freestyle project. Now go to source code management, use Git and share your GitHub repository URL. Your branch to build, as I have main branch, I will rename it as main. Now after that, go to build step, and in the build step select execute window batch command. I will just add the name of my script file which we have created. Now we will save, apply. Before running Jenkins job, I will show you that I don't have currently any backup created. After running job, you will see backup folder here in which your existing war file will be backed up, and second, in standalone deployment I am deleting this existing war file so that the new one will be deployed. As you can see, there is no deployment currently. Now we will execute job. Go to the Jenkins and click build now. You can see it has started. Okay, repository is cloned, no existing war file, it is deploying and reloading the JBoss. As you can see, it is success. Now we will verify, refresh. Standalone deployment. Yes, you can see sample war file have been placed here and it is deployed. We will use this link to access our application. Okay, it is running. As I have mentioned before, backup folder will be created. As you can see, there is no backup folder created because on first run war file was not there in standalone deployment. Now we will rerun this to check if war file backup is created or not. Go to your job and click again build now. It is started. Yes, you can see it is backing up the existing war file, and backup completed. It is deploying the new file and restarting the JBoss. We will verify the backup. You can see backup folder is created and war file is created with the current timestamp as a backup. JBoss is also reloaded. We will verify. Yes, application is running. So finally guys, in this tutorial we have automated the deployment of war file to JBoss using Jenkins. We set up a Jenkins job to pull up the latest code from GitHub, created a batch script to handle the backup and deployment process, also restarted the JBoss using JBoss CLI. This setup reduces the downtime and ensure smoother deployment. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more DevOps content. Thank you for watching and happy automating.